Well, if the insurance company says they'll fully compensate you, you have to ask them certain questions. We recommend not to speak to the insurance company because what they usually do is they usually contact you immediately after an accident. But the problem with that is that a person does not know the extent of his injury, the full extent of those injuries right after the accident. In the week or the 2 weeks after an accident, you may just be feeling a little bit of pain. And they'll say, we'll compensate you, we'll send you a check for $5,000, for $10,000. But the problem is that what if a year down the road you develop a serious back injury and you need surgery, or you develop you have an MRI of your knee and they find a torn meniscus that requires surgery. That could be a life-altering injury. So they'll never compensate you again, because once they compensate you, they do it in exchange for what's called a release of all claims. But if you file a lawsuit with a lawyer, you're entitled to past pain and suffering from the date of the accident up until the date of the trial, which is usually a year later or sometime later. And then you also are entitled to future damages. So if you're a young person, let's say in your 20s, you're entitled to future pain and suffering and future lost earnings from the date of the accident until the rest of your life. And they even have life expectancy tables. And some people, on average, people are living into the late 70s, early 80s. So you're talking about giving them a huge gift to the insurance company by accepting that initial offer. Hi, my name is Arkady Freckman of Freckman & Associates, attorneys and counselors at law, with offices in Manhattan and Brooklyn, New York. If you've been injured in any type of accident or serious injury, please call us for a free consultation.